Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini Priyadarshini Meghur, also known as Avi, and I'm a PhD student in the field of biology. Today in this video, I'm going to be talking about PanOxy PM Balancing Repair Moisturizer. So it needs to be used at nighttime. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down all the ingredients for you, and I'm going to be telling you who all can use this product, and at last I'm going to be giving my honest opinion about this formulation. Okay, so let's move to the ingredients now. So the first ingredient is water. Following to that is glycerin, which is a humectant which helps to moisturize your skin. And the third ingredient here is niacinamide. Okay, niacinamide, I think it is an optimal concentration to work with, as it is in the third position. It is not in a higher percentage. So I think it is around 5%, 5 to 7%. Usually the third ingredients are in that range. So 5% of niacinamide in the clinical studies have shown benefits on the skin. It has helped to improve the fine lines. It has helped to improve the pigmentation mark. It has increased the cell turnover. It has helped to have that soft, flawless finish on the skin. So niacinamide itself has a lot of benefits, but if it is more than 5%, it can be a bit triggering and alarming for a lot of sensitive skin type, because it can lead to sensitivity. Here it is in the third position, so I'm just not aware what is the optimal percentage of niacinamide here. Is it 5% or is it 6% or is it 7%? Usually the companies don't disclose that. So my suggestion would be just do a small patch test and see how your skin is reacting to this niacinamide. If it is a bit itchy and you see it's turning red, so stop using this product. This product is not for you then. Then there is linoleic acid, which is also known as vitamin K. It helps with the hydration and acts as an emollient. It also helps with the calming of your skin when it is irritated, especially if you have acne-prone skin. So it kind of helps with the calming benefits. And also in some cases, it has shown that in studies, when you apply this linoleic acid on your skin, so what happens is it starts to improve the discoloration on your face. So the optimal percentage to be used on the clinical trials was 3.6%. That is where the studies have been done, not more than that. So as it is a fifth ingredient here, so it is in a lesser percentage, definitely less than 3% at least. Then there is phospholipids, which is acting as a emollient, antioxidant and anti-aging benefits, and it is also a humectant. So what does a humectant do? It helps to hold the water. It's helping with the hydration. It is removing the free radicals. It is also protecting the water, and in some studies it has been shown that this ingredient for phospholipids, it helps the delivery of different other active ingredients into the deeper layers of your skin, so that they can work well at the different layers of the skin. Then there is sphingolipids. So these act as an emollient. It's a long chain lipid, sits on your skin, makes a proper shield. It doesn't lead to water loss. It retains the moisture. It helps with the anti-aging purpose. It strengthens the skin barrier. It helps to moisturize your skin. It helps to obtain a healthy replenishing skin barrier. So it is having a lot of benefits. In other words, it is also known as ceramides. So the ceramides are very essential when you have a ruptured skin, and when you have healthy skin, there is a lot of amount of ceramides which is holding the two skin cells together. It is holding all the layer of your skin tightly and properly. So having ceramides into your skincare routine is really necessary, and this formulation does have it. Then there is vitamin E, tocopherol, which is essential to hold the water, which helps to remove the free radicals, a powerful antioxidant right after vitamin C. And after that, I saw that there is cica leaf extract, which is helping to calm and also acting as an antioxidant. It also improves the skin texture of consistent use for a long time. If you have seen my videos, I always talk how Korean skincare is made with cica plus balm, cica everywhere, and that's what even the PanOxy moisturizer has in it. Then there is sodium hyaluronate in a very lesser percentage. It is acting as a humectant, helping with the hydration. Now looking at this formulation, who all can actually use it? It's very easy to see the formulation and tell what skin types can use it. So I saw that there is a lot of niacinamide, there is a lot of antioxidants here, there is ceramides in less percentage, there is glycerin. It is for the people who have oily skin, because even you can use it. Caucasian skin, skin of color, okay, they both are into this picture. Then there is also the people who have let's say dry and normal to dry skin, not very dry skin type. It's not gonna work for you. So if you have normal to dry skin, and then let's say from dry skin to the oily skin type, people can use this. This is how well I can explain it. If you have very dry skin type, it doesn't have a lot of emollient that will retain the moisture, so it will not be really helpful for you. But if you have acne prone skin and you always face like itching and your skin is irritated, so niacinamide will help you to reduce that. And there is Centella asiatica extract, leaf extract here, which can reduce that inflammation that is going on. As also it has vitamin K, that is linoleic acid, and then vitamin E, helping to remove the free radicals, the pollutants. It will help to clean the pores from within. It will help to calm down that irritation. So if you are considering to buy this product, use it at the night time, and it is SPF moisturizer, so it's very easy to use it. If you have oily skin, this is how you're gonna use it. At nighttime, you will be using a salicylic acid cleanser to remove all the dirt and debris from your skin. And after that, you can apply a simple serum that will be helping your skin to calm down, whether it be a Centella asiatica spray or some spray that has been prescribed by the doctors. And after that, top it up with this moisturizer, generous amount, and then you can go to sleep. That is how you're gonna wear it at the night time. What is my personal takes about this product? I am definitely gonna purchase it if I have oily skin type. Whenever I'm traveling to the equatorial region, I always have oily skin, so I can use it in that area. So that is it for this video. If you have any questions, write down in the comment section below or reach out to me on my Instagram handle. And I will see you soon with another video. Thank you very much for watching again. Bye.